the flat shape is actually the one that we use to introduce shape in the class. The age of presentation is in your notes. You will see it there. As from the age of 2 or 2.5, you can introduce shapes to your child. And the objective of using an instructional material like this, a material they can hold, is for them to have a tactile impression of the shape, and also to develop their concentration and to prepare them for mathematics lesson in future. So I have the basic shapes here. And this is, if you have this, you can also improvise. This is circle. I improvise myself, and it's laminated. Your child can play with it, can pour water, and it will not be affected. You have a lot of them in stock. You can order for your own. I also use, as I told you earlier, that almost everything around you is an education material. It depends on how creative you are. You know, I call these shapes from the pack of conflicts. All I'm after is just to have my shape. No, it's colorful. If you can't lay your hands on this, go to a tailor material, a tailor shop. Just ask for pieces of the same color. You can see I have square here, I have a circle here, and I have triangle here. So you don't have an excuse to say, oh, I don't have the resources to buy Montessori material. Montessori material, lesson material is all around you. So if you are presenting shapes to your child, you start with the 3 basic shapes. Tell your child, sitting by my left hand side, don't mind this one that is here. Assuming this is not here and your child is here. You turn to your child. This is circle. Trace with your middle finger and your index finger. Because this is developing eyes and also the tactile impression of the shape of the shape, and also is developing concentration, because your child will concentrate while using this. This is circle, and your child says circle. This is triangle. Silently, when your child is tracing around this, your child will have the impression that this shape is different, touching it, because this one goes without any stop, but this one has a stop somewhere. I'm not supposed to talk this way if I'm presenting to your child, to a child. This is rectangle. This is a square. And your child traces also with her finger. Your child will know that these are different shapes by just touching it. I'm going to do a 3-period lesson. Remember, the 3-period lesson is an immediate assessment of your child's understanding of the lesson you are presenting. So I've done by showing it to the child. The next one will be, can you give me square shape? Your child may know it, your child may not know it. Don't worry. Over time, your child will grasp it. But assuming your child has grasped the understanding of this, give me circle, randomly like that. Give me square, your child will give you square. Give me circle, your child will give you circle. Give me triangle, your child does that. You can go ahead to say, can you show me? You know, I said give. Now is, can you show me your child will just point like this. Can you show me a triangle? Can you show me circle? If your child is not able to do that, don't worry. Just note it by mind where you will start with your child. Assuming I want to do grading. Now, you have a lot of things around. You have to apply this to your environment. It's not about this 3 circle. Shapes are all around the environment of your child. You can help your child to apply. I have here, I have circle here, and I have a square here, and I have triangle there. I may not have triangle, but you can have something for pairing. So this is a box, nice square. This is another thing. You can just tell your child, give me a similar shape, and they will do that. And so on and on like that. If you move on to other shapes, you'll be able to do more exercise with your child. Assuming you have oval shape, this is an oval shape, and I have a cube here, and I also have a cylinder here, so you can get things around that look like this. Over time, collect it and be putting them in a box or in a nylon when you want to do this one with your child. Something, you bring all this thing out and your child will now be able to put the same thing together. You are educating your child, developing the brain, the eyes, and the hand. Everything integrated into your brain to wire your brain and give the neurons in the brain of your child more extensions. As you will see in our slides, a picture of how the brain look like. A brain that is giving different impressions and the one that is not given. You will see the wiring, the extension of your child. It is all these that are intelligent materials for your child. So I just want to, do some pairing of the same thing. Sorry, or something like this fair. Now, so work with the shapes you can get around you. It's not all the time you get the same thing. This is a cylinder. This is also a cylinder. This is also a cylinder. This a cube. This is another cube in different sizes. So you learn to apply what your child is learning to their immediate environment. You are giving different impressions. So you will not be surprised, assuming you are doing a walk with your child either in the morning or in the evening, or you are driving to a park with your child, and your child will just point to say, oh, that is a square. Oh, that is that, So being able to apply it to their environment is very important.